just going to go through creating a new customer. So first of all, we click new customer and job, new customer. We'll enter the name details here. So this is usually the business name. So Pat Hollis Business Enterprise, and we copy that down into the company name, Mr. Pat Hollis, in the contact details. Now this is important because we use the first name in this contact details for any direct mail that we might send out to these guys. Now you notice in the bill too that puts the name from the contact details down into the bill to address. We don't want that there, so you can get rid of that. Add any contact details then. Add any address details, sorry, then. 321 Port Road, Hindmarsh, SA. If it's the same billing address as it is the shipping address, you can copy that across. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. If it's a different billing address, shipping address, fill in the shipping details over here. Say OK to that, and OK. Our phone number, if we put it in this format so that we're all using similar formats. Alternate phone used for a mobile phone, if there is one. Alternate contact if there's a different person, like another person that you want to talk to at the business there. So for instance, Nick. Email is the primary email of the business. And CC if there's a CC address too. Now here's where I want to just touch base on a few things that haven't been put in. So the type, we need this for a couple of reasons. This impacts on a number of reports that are created through the system, one of which is your maintenance report. If you don't fill out this properly, then you get some rubbish on those reports. So for any prospect, each of these different areas will have a prospect. So for instance, if it's a Red Cat prospect, you click here on Red Cat prospect, and once they change from a prospect to a customer, then you'll go and change that to the appropriate category here. So if it's a restaurant and cafe, then you change it to restaurant and cafe. But at the minute we're going to set that up as a prospect. Terms will always be 14 days. Rep, put whoever the rep is. Tax code will always be GST. If you've got their ACN or ABN number, then you'd enter that in here. Price level we don't need to worry about. The original rep, put that in here. If they've signed up to a maintenance contract, put that in this information in here as well as the after hours calls. And if they've bought an extended warranty, put the extended warranty expiry date in here. And that's really all there is to. We don't need to worry about anything in the payment info or the job info. Okay, so that's setting up a new customer.